I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want to know the secret to getting your home smelling nice and cozy this season, then you have to start with this beautiful glass pot from Olytaru. This glass pot is perfect to do stovetop potpourri and has been the perfect simmer pot for me. I love the beautiful design of it. It has a really unique shape, and I especially love that it has the beautiful exterior handles and lid. Now, I use this specifically to do simmer pots that have herbs and fruits and spices in them, and it produces the most cozy, wonderful smell in our home. This pot is made of a premium quality glass. It is lightweight and thin, which also allows it to be extremely heat resistant, so it is perfect for my gas stovetop. I really appreciate using this pot on my stovetop because it is see-through. So seeing those herbs and fruits and everything as the aroma is filling my kitchen, it really just adds to the ambiance and creates a wonderful, cozy, homey feel. I appreciate that it has a lid as well, so then I can keep my simmer pot and all of the goodies inside and use it again the next day. So if you're looking for an absolutely stunning and extremely functional glass pot, I would definitely recommend this one. But that's just my point of view.